Hello, today we're going to show you how to use Restek's SPME Arrow manual injection tool. It is important to get the procedure right, so we have some great tips and tricks to help you do it perfectly every time. Let's start at the beginning. When inserting the SPME Arrow tool into a vial or injection port, it's important to keep pressure upward on the top part of the injection tool. This will help keep the arrow's fiber in the sheath, which will prevent it from being damaged while the arrow is piercing into the vial or inlet septum. An easy way to maintain upward pressure is to place your thumb or finger on the tab like this. As you pierce the vial, continue to apply upward pressure on the top part of the tool until the tool is completely inserted. Now it's time to expose the arrow's fiber. Carefully shift your grip on the tool so you can use your thumb or finger to press down on the top part of the tool. Continue to press down until the fiber is completely exposed. Once the fiber extraction is finished according to your sampling method, it's time to retract the fiber. Your instinct will be to pull the tool right out of the vial or inlet, but doing so can easily damage the fiber coating. Instead, simply return your thumb or finger to the position below the tab. Then, gently apply upward pressure to retract the fiber. Now, with a slow and gentle upward motion, you can safely remove the tool from the vial or inlet, taking care to maintain upward pressure. Please remember that it is important to never reverse these steps. Never press down on the tab while inserting the tool into a vial or inlet. This will expose the fiber coating to the septum and damage the arrow. Likewise, never press down on the tab while removing the arrow from the vial or inlet. This will also expose the fiber coating to the septum and damage the arrow. And that's it. That's how easy it is to use Restek's SPME Arrow manual injection tool.